So in this video, we will see how we can access the data in dictionary. So I am copying some dictionary. This is my dictionary, and I am copying this dictionary to this file. And let's see how to access the data. So so can we access the data using indexing? So let's check. So let's checking. Rohit uh, return the data at zero index. So no, it is not supporting indexing. Unlike like a list, it does not support indexing. So so how we can accessing it by key. So Rohit, if we want name of Rohit, so just pass name. Sorry, just pass name. It is Rohit. Name is Rohit. And if we want age of Rohit, then just pass age. It is 26, like we saw here. It is 26. So let's check, can we access a key which is not present in this dictionary? Like I want to find his language, Rohit language, but language is not specified in dictionary. Can we get this? So let's checking Rohit language. So it is returning that there is key error because language is not present in this dictionary. So there is one more method we can access the value using key. So there is a get method. In this method, these like key error will be handled. Like we want to access language of dot get, what we want to access language. So what it is returning. So let's check. It's let's we want to print it. Printing. So it is none. So what get method return when it didn't find any key we want to access the value of, then it will return none. Otherwise it will return the value. Like we want to get the name age of Rohit, then it is returning 26. So mostly we in dictionary, when we program, then mostly we use get to handle exception or handling the file. So what if we don't want that it doesn't did not return none? If it is there is none, then it return a specific message. So if lang it didn't find lang, then just return not known. So what it will return? Let's see. So it will return not known. Whatever you want, like you return this, then it will return this. So I think this is enough for this video, and in next video we will see updating the dictionary, how we can update the dictionary, how we can append the dictionary, like we append appended the list, we inserted the value in list. So can we do this in dictionary as well? So so there it will be, we will see that in next video. Thanks for watching.